If you've got unwanted apps on your Windows system, I'm going to show you how to remove them safely and properly. So follow me. So from your desktop, you're going to go down to your search icon, and here you can type in add or remove, and you will find the add or remove programs right at the top over here, and it's in your control panel. Now there's a few ways to get to here, but this is the quickest and easiest. So from here, you can see that there's a list of apps. Now, some apps you're not able to uninstall due to the fact that they are embedded onto your system and they are fixed. So you can't actually use this method to uninstall them. But apps that you're just installing from various places, you can do all from here and manage and uninstall them. So you can look through the list. And as you can see, I've got some apps here. And if you're struggling to find the app that way, you can actually go to the search icon up at the top and search the app that you would like to find. So for example, we have this app, it's called Audacity, and you go to the right hand side and there's three dots. You're going to click on this, and here you're going to click on uninstall. Now every app's uninstall process is slightly different. Some might use the Windows system or the uninstall shield wizard. Some might use its own software and processes to uninstall. But basically what you're going to do is, for each individual app, you're going to follow the instructions and just make sure that you're reading them properly and that you're uninstalling and you're not downgrading or upgrading or doing any modifications to the app, that you're actually uninstalling the app. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time, people. Peace out.